Small talk with neighbors.
Good morning, Mr. Bennett.
Good morning, Laura. You are up early today.
I have an early meeting this morning. Any interesting mail today?
Just bills, I am afraid, and a magazine for my wife.
I am still waiting for a package. It should arrive this week.
What did you order, if you don't mind me asking?
A new coffee maker. My old one broke last week?
That's very important. Coffee is the most important part of the morning.
Exactly. Well, I should go now. Have a nice day, Mr. Bennett.
You too, Laura. Good luck with your meeting. Oh, Laura. Going down too?
Yes, I am going to the gym. How was your day?
Not bad, thank you. A little tiring, actually.
I heard it is going to rain tomorrow. Did you hear the weather forecast?
Yes, heavy rain in the morning. Then it should clear up by the afternoon.
Good. I have plans in the afternoon. I do not want to get wet.
Bring an umbrella just in case. The weather here changes so quickly.
That's true. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Enjoy the gym.
Mr. Bennett, do you know why the elevator is not working?
Yes, there is a sign downstairs. It says, out of order, under repair.
Oh no, really? I have to carry these bags up to the 4th floor now.
Let me help you with one of those bags.
Are you sure? Thank you so much. That's very kind.
Of course, we can take the stairs together. A little exercise never hurt anyone.
That's true. Do you know how long the repair will take?
The sign says 2 days. I hope it is not longer than that.
Me too. Climbing 4 floors every day is a lot of exercise.
There you are again. Third time today on the stairs?
Yes, I forgot my keys this morning, so I had to come back down.
Oh no, that's frustrating. At least you are getting your exercise for the week.
True. How is your knee, by the way? I remember you mentioned it hurt a little.
It is a bit better. Thank you for asking. The doctor said it is just mild arthritis.
I am glad it is not serious. Please be careful on the stairs these days.
I will. And thank you for remembering. That's very kind of you.
Of course. Good night, Mr. Bennett.
Good night, Laura.
Good morning. Is that a new leash for Buddy?
Yes, the old one broke last week. Buddy pulls very hard on his walks.
He is a strong little dog. I always see him so excited in the mornings.
He is. Do you have any pets, Laura? I do not think you have mentioned it.
I have a cat named Milo. He mostly sleeps all day, actually.
That sounds like a cat's life. Very different from a dog.
Very different. Buddy needs 3 walks a day, right?
Yes, morning, afternoon, and evening. It keeps me busy, but I enjoy it.
That's a great way to stay active. Say hi to Buddy for me.
Did you hear? Someone new is moving into apartment 5C.
Really? I saw some boxes in the hallway yesterday. When are they moving in?
This weekend, I think. A young man, I heard. He works in the city.
That's nice. The apartment has been empty for almost 2 months.
Yes, it is good to have someone new in the building. Maybe we should welcome him.
That's a lovely idea. Maybe we could introduce ourselves this weekend.
I will bring some cookies, and you can bring your friendly smile.
Deal. It is always nice to know your neighbors.
It really is. See you tomorrow, Laura. Laura, I think this package is yours. It was left at my door by mistake.
Oh, that's exactly what I was waiting for. My new coffee maker, finally.
The delivery driver must have read the apartment number wrong. 4A and 4B look similar.
That happens a lot, actually. Thank you so much for bringing it to me.
No trouble at all. I hope the coffee maker works well.
Me too. I will make you a cup sometime, as a thank you.
I would love that. I take my coffee black, no sugar.
Noted. I will remember that. Actually, have you tried the new coffee shop on Maple Street?
No, I have not. Is it good?
It's wonderful. I would really recommend it. The coffee is strong and the pastries are fresh.
That sounds nice. My wife and I love trying new places.
You should go this weekend. It is a bit busy in the mornings, though.
Thanks for the recommendation. We will try it on Saturday afternoon instead.
Good choice. Let me know what you think when you go.
I will. It is nice getting advice from a neighbor. Any plans for the weekend, Laura?
Yes, actually. I am going hiking with some friends on Saturday.
That sounds lovely. Where are you going?
There is a trail about an hour from here, near the lake. I have never been there.
I have heard the view from the top is beautiful. Bring good shoes.
I will. Thank you. What about you? Any plans?
Just a quiet weekend. Maybe some gardening on Sunday, if the weather is nice.
That sounds relaxing too. Enjoy your gardening.
And you enjoy your hike. Be careful on the trail.
Mr. Bennett, could I ask you a small favor?
Of course. What do you need?
Could I borrow a cup of sugar? I am baking a cake, and I ran out.
Sure. No problem at all. Wait here. I will get it for you.
Thank you so much. I promise I will return it or bring you a slice of cake instead.
A slice of cake sounds much better than sugar. Deal.
Deal. It should be ready by tomorrow.
I will look forward to it then. Laura, did you see the notice on the board downstairs?
No, I have not checked it yet. What does it say?
The building is organizing a small barbecue next Sunday in the courtyard.
Oh, that sounds fun. Is it for all the residents?
Yes, everyone is invited. It is a chance for the whole community to meet.
I would love to go. Should I bring something?
Maybe a salad or some drinks? Everyone brings a little something.
Perfect. I will bring a salad then. This is a great idea for the building.
I agree. It will be nice to meet the new neighbor from 5C too.
Well, I should get going. Thanks again for the sugar and for all your help this week.
Anytime, Laura. That's what neighbors are for.
Have a wonderful evening, Mr. Bennett.
You too, Laura. See you soon.